Hello students, Standard 8 English 2.2 Nature created man and woman as equals. Let us move to the last part of this lesson. Lantoy has been fascinated by the stories of pioneer women. Here fascinated means captivated. Pioneer means a person who is among the first to take up a cause, especially in a new field. You know that Kalpana Chawla, she is the first person, women astronaut who contributed a great to the science and technology. Her grandmother had narrated many stories of the brave queens like Lithongambi and Kuranganayani, who were as brave as kings. There were also brave women among the common people. These women, as her grandmother narrated, were makers of home, family, society, and the nation. They were civilizing influences. Civilizing means educating. At the same time, they were also adventurers who claimed their shares in free land, ploughed and raised crops with their own hands, and drove cattle. Modern women have become mountaineers, naturalists, astronauts, scientists, soldiers, and political leaders. This proves that there is nothing a woman can't do, and also that women and men were created as equals. If you see this paragraph, here many things are shown related to women. How modern women are excelling in different fields. Then she asked her mother further, "Mother, you have thrown light on the equality of men and women and also emphasized that the world is still an unequal world." Here thrown light on. Here throw light on means to give information or explanation. Then what I would like to know is if there are moral, social and legal provisions to enable women to express their physical and mental potential and to set themselves free from suppression. Amazed at the curiosity of her daughter, Ashangbi adds, here legal means what? Related to law. Potential. Potential means what? The qualities that exist and that can be developed. There are many. Under the aegis of the United Nations, there is a declaration for a new world of equality. It has the following dimensions. Here under the aegis means with the protection and support of a particular organization or person. Dimension means what? Aspects. A. Equal access to basic social services including health and education. Women should not be deprived of getting these services. That means education, health, equal participation in political and economic decision making. Nowadays laws have been made in political also. Certain seats are reserved for women in parliaments also. Equal reward for equal work. Discrimination should not be made regarding payment when men and women, on the basis of men and women. Equal reward for equal work. Elimination of discrimination and violence against women. Elimination means what here? Getting rid of. Then the mother concluded, "My dear daughter, we can affirm along with the United Nations that men and women are equals." Lantoy understands what her mother means and what the topic of the symposium means. Thus, confident of success, the next day, after thanking her mother, the girl of 12 happily rushes out of the room in the bright morning sun. The blue sky meets the range of the eastern mountains. The small girl is always fascinated. Here fascinated means what? Captivated by the small trail which winds up the distant purple mountain. Here, after this listening this video, you have to complete textbook exercise. If you have any doubt, you can call me.